So realism. Realism is when you see the world for what it is as worth and not what you think the world should look like. So again, repeat that. You see the world for what it is and not what you think the world should look like. They think about every step they must achieve to get to a certain goal. Sometimes these could be either pessimistic or optimistic. So keep those in mind as well. Pessimistic versus optimistic. Which one do you view yourself as, a realist or idealist? On your own right now, I want you to think about that and write down what you think that you are, just from me showing you what realism is. I'm going to show you the other one, but I want you to think right now, based on what I just described to you, are you a realist, or just say, no, I'm not a realist because, yes, I am a realist because. So just keep that in mind. This is on your own right now. We're doing think, pair, share. So again, on your own right now, I want you to write down if you think that you're a realist or why you are not a realist. We'll give you some time to just think about that before I go on to the next slide. Okay, the opposite, idealism. Idealism is seen beyond what you see today. It's like thinking life has a great amount of possibilities, but not thinking about the steps you used to get there. So you're thinking about the bigger picture here. Idealism is basically focusing more on what your future looks like instead of thinking about the steps you need to get there. Idealists are very optimistic. So if you feel like you're an optimistic person and you are in alignment with this ideal, then write that down. I am an idealist because, or I am not an idealist. So yeah, you can put both. That's absolutely, yeah, one or the other, or you somewhere in the middle. I like to also think of somewhere in the middle as well. Middle ground is perfectly fine here. So again, you might have some idealistic views that you relate to, and you might have some realistic views that you relate to. So again, on your own, I want you to start thinking about that and write it down. You'll get a chance to share with your elbow buddy right here next to you. So go like this and this and this. And you guys next to each other. So yeah, just start thinking about that. So quickly, we'll give you about another minute to start thinking about if you're one or the other. Yeah, go ahead and write that down then if you are both. Again, you get a chance to share with your partner which one you are before we go on to ask the next set of questions. Okay, does everybody feel comfortable with these two ideals, idealism and realism? If you're like lost, let me know. I can give you another example. You're doing okay? Okay, now take the time to share with your partner what you guys wrote. If you're one or the other, are you both? Just so I can kind of get a better idea of how the classroom is. You know, are we somewhere in the middle? Are we one side or the other? Again, we're going to learn about both sides today. So yeah, use this time to share with your partner which one you are.
Why?
And if you're both, why? If you're one side or the other, why?
I put idealist.
Idealist? Yeah, what was your primary?
I'll follow that.
Right.
I should go.
Lead, right? There you go. Yeah, that makes sense. Goes with the flow. Right, yeah, absolutely. That's not a problem. What else do you guys do? Oh, okay. Gotcha. Yes, sir. Oh, okay, that's fine. I'll get you just a second I'm seeing a lot of flow. That's really good. Again, there's nothing wrong with that.
I had my fingers right there, and I wanted to climb down and
Right. Like for me, I think of myself as a little bit an idealist because the opposite. I always try to see the brighter side of things. You know, like there's more to it than what the world is offering.